Iginiit ng Amerika na lahat ng bansa ay sumunod sa usapan ng territorial waters. Lahat ng yan sa mga kwento ni Mike Cohen sa Connection.
I haven't fully got there yet. I was spent some time on it.
Binatikos ng Estados Unidos ang 9-dash line ng People's Republic of China at ang kanilang mga ordinance mula ng Hainan Province na kailangan muna ang mga barko dadaan sa karagatan ng South China at West Philippine Sea ay dapat kumuha ng permit muna sa provincial government ng Hainan. Di naaayon sa international law ito ayon sa White House at State Department at ang mismong 9-dash lang ay walang basehan sa international law. Sa likod nito, muling naglabas ng statement ng Ministry of Foreign Affairs ng China laban ngayon si US military commanders at ang Obama administration. Ayon sa China, walang magugulot ang mga criticism ng USA sa China sa kanilang inaangkin na teritoryo sa West Philippine Sea.
分裂分子们所不想。
Tiniyak naman ng commander ng US Pacific Fleet na si Admiral William Locklear na handa ang Estados Unidos tulungan ng Pilipinas at ASEAN upang i-upgrade ang kakayahan nila sa mga hinaharap na problema sa regional security. The best of the best ang i-deploy na gamit sa region.
So we're going to ensure that the forces that we have forward are the very best that we can produce, that the U.S. can produce. So we'll put our very best destroyers here. We'll put our very best ballistic missile defense here. We'll put our very best airplanes here. But you'll also see more capability in the security environment from our allies as well. So this isn't just about the United States.
Sa kasalukuyan naman, pangunahing mission ng Estados Unidos ang security. Pagdagdag din ng resources nila, dulot ng mga sakuna na halos 80% ng mga world calamities ay nangyayari sa Western Pacific region upang mahalagaan ang mga mamamayan ng Asia Pacific sa panahon ng natural calamities.
This is very important to this part of the world. 80% of all disasters, natural disasters in the world, happen in the PACOM area of responsibility. 80%. And we need to be prepared. So when you can have a disaster that occurs and you can get on it quickly and you get human suffering to a minimum, the ability to respond quickly, to be able to get there after the initial event, to be able to put command and control capabilities in place, to use air assets that we have, vertical assets, to be able to get in and to get food and water, medical supplies to those who are most needy.
Para sa telebisyon ng Bayan, Mike Cohen, PTV News.